What's up, everyone? Andrew here with Family Fly Ties, fishing a great river in Utah. I'm fishing right now with Cade. We're having a great time. Hope you enjoy the video. Cheers to tight lines. I've seen too many flashes and not enough to the net. Yeah, there's just one right here that I didn't see because I saw the flash up above. So got him. Yep. Yeah, he's on the Tasmanian Devil, if you have one of those. Not the big one I've seen, but still. Yeah, the flash I seen down below was a good size. There he goes. Yes! Nice! Oh, that looks like a good one. Yeah, little guy, but he's on. Nice done. Nicely done. Oh, he's off. Long release. We'll take it, yep. Which is unfortunate. yes, I did get him. Same fly too. If you want one of these, I got another one. Oh, he's off. That's the closest I've seen him. See, this is why I think I am gonna go dry. I just want to see. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh boy. It's not the one. Oh, dang. That's a big boy. Yeah. And that's not the one I was going after. There's another one here. I went after his friend. And he's on my, oh, prism torch for the win. There you go, buddy. Great fish, guys. Look at that. Look at that. This is like a big fish for here. I don't see him anymore. He must have gone down. Oh, got him! Got him! Oh! Whoa! That's nice. Whoa! Prism torch? Is it prism torch? No, it's the fault worm. Yes! I told you, this might be like the best area because of the hidden rocks here. It's not right by the road.
Yeah. Prism torch.
Prism torch?
Prism torch.
For the win. Oh yes! Yeah! Right away, I saw him flash, so I set, and he was on. Yeah. Good fish. On camera. Oh yeah. This looks as good as the other ones. I would think. Oh, fish on? Yes! And that's a good one. Woo! Nice.
Prism torch.
That is a killer bug. Woo! I think my top fly's too much.
I only have one on.
Oh, do you?
I took the tangle, the other one off, and just took the prism.
So you're like, yeah, we'll just keep with what's working. Every hole up here has been at least one active fish. Run. Yep. You want to get the other camera after you get that? Woohoo! Nice. Oh no! Oh! There we go. What is he on? Taz. I missed one already. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, good. I thought I lost my fly. Good fish. What's up, everyone? Cade and I decided to head to a different body of water, and it's been a good start thus far. Cheers to tight lines. Got one. Got one. Wow. I'm really shocked. Oh, fish, fish, fish for sure.
Always at the end.
Right, right. There you go. Hopefully. Looks like I'm getting all the brown. I'm the king of browns today. Oh, he's off. Got him! Oh, yeah, got him! Yes! Oh, that's huge. I'm just going to give it 4 casts. Torch again?
Prism torch.
Sweet. Oh, let's look at here. Here we go. Showing here. That is beautiful. That's what we're looking for. Yeah, most likely. Look at those colors. Get it, get it! Yeah! Got him. Oh, you got one? Yeah! Nice! Already off. Nice. Yep, prism torch. Nice Colorado cut. And I got 3 browns. All right, what's up, everyone? Thanks for taking the moment to watch my video. Truly appreciate it. If you do enjoy, please consider subscribing. Cade and I had an awesome day. First started out at one creek. It was slow beginnings, but ended up being an awesome time. We finished there with plenty of time and came to another creek, and we were hoping to get into some Colorado cutthroats, and we did. It was awesome. Hope you enjoy the video. Cheers to tight lines.